Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of Intel's powerful 12th Gen Alder Lake processors, the Core i7-1270K. We'll look at the pros and cons of this processor in detail and discuss which type of users it best suits. If you're considering upgrading your processor or building a performance-driven system, this review has everything you need to know. Section 1. Technical specifications. One of the standout features of the Intel Core i7-12700K is that it's built on the new Alder Lake architecture. This architecture combines both performance and efficiency cores, which marks a major shift from Intel's previous generations. Let's take a quick look at the technical specs. Total of 12 cores and 20 threads for impressive multitasking. Turbo frequency up to 5.0 GHz for high-demand applications in gaming. Built on the 10 nanometers process, which makes it more efficient than previous generations. This processor features Intel's hybrid architecture, which integrates E-cores and P-cores to handle different workloads effectively. It's a new approach that allows performance and efficiency cores to work simultaneously, improving overall processing power. Section 2. Pros of the Core i7-12700K. 1. Powerful performance. The Intel Core i7-12700K excels in both single-core and multi-core performance, making it a powerful option for gamers and professionals alike. It delivers high frame rates for gaming, and whether you're gaming in high resolution or working on intensive tasks like video editing, this processor can meet your expectations. With its high single-core performance, the i7-12700K also shines in gaming. High-frequency cores provide excellent frame rates, which is especially beneficial for competitive gamers who require top-notch in-game performance. 2. Efficient multitasking. With 12 cores and 20 threads, the Intel Core i7-12700K is designed for serious multitasking. For example, you can render a project in the background while running multiple applications or even live streaming. This multitasking capability is ideal for content creators and those who need a powerful PC for high workloads. 3. Improved power efficiency. Thanks to the new 10 nanometers process, there's a noticeable improvement in power efficiency. This doesn't just make the processor more environmentally friendly, it also means lower power consumption for extended usage. You get energy efficiency without sacrificing performance, which is evident during long work or gaming sessions. Section 3. Cons of the Core i7-12700K. 1. Heating issues. One of the key downsides of this processor is that it tends to run hot, especially when operating under full load. High performance does come with high temperatures. So, if you plan on using the Core i7-12700K, you'll need a solid cooling solution. Liquid cooling systems are worth considering to unlock the full potential of this processor while keeping temperatures in check. 2. High power consumption. The high power consumption is another downside associated with the i7-12700K. Its performance is outstanding, but this also means it draws more power than other options. If you're considering overclocking, you'll need a powerful PSU, which may add to your system's overall cost. 3. Pricing considerations. The Intel Core i7-12700K's price may feel a bit steep when considering its performance-to-price ratio. Compared to some of AMD's alternatives, more budget-friendly models are available. However, Intel's advantage lies in software support and optimization, so it may still be worth the investment if you prioritize that. But if you're on a tight budget, this processor's price could be a factor in considering other options. Section 4. Who is the Core i7-12700K best suited for? Gamers. The Intel Core i7-12700K is an ideal choice for gamers, especially for those looking to get high frame rates. With its single-core performance, you'll see impressive in-game frame rates, and its multitasking capabilities mean you can stream your gameplay without a performance hit. This makes it an excellent choice for FPS-oriented gamers who want the best performance. Content creators and professionals. The i7-12700K is also a great option for professionals working on video editing, 3D modeling, or rendering. Its multi-core performance offers stable performance for demanding tasks. For content creators, this processor could speed up workflows and boost productivity. Everyday users. For everyday users, however, the Core i7 12700K might be overkill. This processor is specifically designed for performance-intensive applications. If you're only planning on browsing the web or playing light games, it may create unnecessary costs in your build. Section 5. Quick look at alternative processors. If you're interested in the Intel Core i7 12700K but have concerns about its price or specific features, there are some alternative processors to consider. AMD Ryzen 7580X or AMD Ryzen 9590X, for instance, might offer a better price-to-performance ratio. While Intel processors generally deliver better single-core performance, AMD alternatives are often more budget-friendly, giving you options to consider based on your needs. Section 6. Overall assessment and conclusion. In summary, we've covered everything about the Intel Core i7 12700K. This processor is a fantastic choice for both gamers and content creators, providing great performance for high-demand tasks. Despite the high power consumption and potential heating issues, the performance it offers is hard to ignore. If you're building a high-performance system and need serious power, the Intel Core i7 12700K is a processor that's up to the challenge.